Welcome to WysLeap, complete visitor intelligence without the complexity. In this demo, we'll explore how WysLeap gives you powerful, privacy-first analytics that help you understand your visitors and optimize conversions. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Overview dashboard, your command center for visitor analytics. At a glance, you can see your total page views, events tracked, average time on page, and bounce rate. These key metrics give you immediate insights into your site's performance. Below, you'll find your recent visitors with detailed information, their browser, location, intent score, and identification accuracy. WysLeap uses advanced machine learning fingerprinting to identify visitors without cookies. That's why you see 100% accuracy, even for anonymous visitors. The visitor list shows real-time data, so you can see who's on your site right now. Each visitor has an intent score that predicts their likelihood to convert, helping you prioritize your sales and marketing efforts. The Top Pages section shows which content resonates most with your audience, while the Event Breakdown reveals what actions visitors are taking. All of this data is collected privacy first, with no cookies required. Now let's explore user journeys. This is where you see exactly how visitors navigate your site. The journey list shows complete user paths from entry to exit. Each journey displays the sequence of pages visited, total steps, duration, and whether it resulted in a conversion. You can filter to see only conversion journeys or explore all user paths. Switch to the Sankey diagram view to see the flow of traffic between pages. The width of each connection represents the volume of visitors taking that path. This visualization makes it easy to spot common navigation patterns and identify where users drop off. The Sunburst chart provides another perspective, showing non-linear journey paths in a hierarchical view. The center ring represents entry pages, with outer rings showing subsequent steps. Hover over any segment to see the full path details. These visualizations help you understand user behavior at a glance. You can see which pages lead to conversions, where users get stuck, and what paths are most successful. This insight is invaluable for optimizing your site structure and improving conversion rates. The Funnels page helps you analyze conversion paths and identify drop-off points. You can create custom funnels by defining the steps users take toward a conversion goal. For example, a typical e-commerce funnel might be homepage, product page, cart, checkout, thank you. Once created, WysLeap automatically analyzes each step, showing you how many users enter each stage, the conversion rate between steps, and where users are dropping off. The funnel visualization makes it easy to spot bottlenecks. But here's what makes WysLeap special: our automatic funnel discovery feature. Click Discover Funnels, and WysLeap uses AI to automatically identify conversion funnels from your visitor data. It analyzes user journeys, detects conversion patterns, and suggests funnels you might not have considered. The discovered funnels show confidence scores, sample sizes, and conversion rates. You can accept any discovered funnel to start analyzing it immediately. This saves hours of manual funnel setup and helps you discover conversion paths you didn't know existed. Each funnel analysis includes detailed metrics, drop-off rates, time spent at each step, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your funnels and improve your overall conversion rate. Heat maps give you visual insights into how users interact with your pages. The Click Heat Map shows where users click most frequently. Red and orange areas indicate high click activity, while cooler colors show less engagement. This helps you understand what elements attract attention and what might be overlooked. The scroll depth analysis is particularly powerful. It shows how far users scroll down your pages. The gradient overlay transitions from hot colors at the top, where everyone starts, to cooler colors where users drop off. Horizontal lines mark key milestones: 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. You can see exactly how many users reach each depth level. If most users only scroll to 50%, you know your content might be too long or not engaging enough. If they're scrolling to 100%, your content is resonating. Select any page from the drop-down to see its specific heat map data. This helps you optimize individual pages, move important contents above the fold, and improve overall engagement. All heat map data is collected in real time, giving you up-to-date insights into user behavior without any performance impact on your site. The Returning Visitors page helps you understand visitor loyalty and retention. The main metric shows your total returning visitors, users who have visited your site more than once. This is a key indicator of engagement and brand loyalty. The returning visitors breakdown chart shows the distribution of visit frequencies. You can see how many visitors have visited twice, 3 times, 4 times, or more. This helps you understand your visitor retention patterns. The visitor flow over time chart shows the daily breakdown of new versus returning visitors. This reveals trends in your visitor base. Are you attracting new visitors or retaining existing ones? Understanding returning visitors is crucial for growth. Returning visitors are more likely to convert, spend more time on your site, and have higher engagement. By analyzing this data, you can identify what brings visitors back and optimize your retention strategies. WysLeap tracks returning visitors using advanced fingerprinting technology, so you get accurate data even without cookies, perfect for privacy compliance. Rage clicks and dead clicks help you identify user frustration and UX issues. Rage clicks occur when users click rapidly on the same element, usually a sign of frustration. Maybe a button isn't working or an element looks clickable but isn't. These are critical UX issues that need immediate attention. Dead clicks are clicks on non-interactive elements, places where users expected something to happen but nothing did. This reveals design problems where elements look clickable but aren't functional. The analysis shows you exactly where these issues occur, which pages are most affected, and how many users experience them. Each issue includes the page URL, element details, and the number of affected users. You can filter by page to focus on specific areas of your site. The page impact analysis shows which pages have the most rage clicks or dead clicks, helping you prioritize fixes. Addressing these issues can significantly improve user experience and conversion rates. Users who experience frustration are unlikely to convert, so fixing rage clicks and dead clicks directly impacts your bottom line. WysLeap automatically detects these patterns, so you don't have to manually review session recordings. The insights are right here, ready to act on. The AI Intelligence page showcases WysLeap's most advanced features, self-learning AI that gets smarter over time. First, let's look at adaptive intent scoring. This AI model learns from your conversion data to predict which visitors are most likely to convert. The accuracy model shows how well it's performing, typically starting at 50% and improving to 80 or 90% as it learns. The feature weights chart shows which behaviors the AI considers most important for conversions. It might learn that visit count, time on site, or scroll depth are strong indicators. These weights adjust automatically as the model learns from new conversions. The historical learning section shows how your model has improved over time. You can see when the model was created, how many conversions it's learned from, and the accuracy improvement. The longer you use WysLeap, the smarter your model becomes, creating a competitive advantage that's hard to replicate. The collective intelligence network is revolutionary. As more sites use WysLeap, anonymized conversion patterns are shared across the network, improving predictions for everyone. Your model benefits from patterns learned across thousands of sites while maintaining complete privacy. No personal data is shared, only anonymized behavior signatures. Autobot pattern discovery automatically identifies suspicious traffic patterns. The system learns from anomalies and creates patterns to filter out bots, keeping your analytics accurate. Auto-segmentation groups visitors into meaningful segments based on behavior, helping you target your marketing efforts more effectively. All of this AI-powered intelligence works automatically in the background, continuously learning and improving your analytics accuracy. That's a complete tour of WysLeap's analytics features. From real-time visitor tracking to AI-powered insights, WysLeap gives you everything you need to understand your visitors and optimize conversions, all while maintaining complete privacy and compliance. Ready to get started? Sign up for free and see how WysLeap can transform your visitor analytics. Thank you for watching.